This pattern is the Tiny Hearts knitting. As you can see, there are rows of hearts that are created from this pattern. It's in multiples of 2, and you cast on 28 for Warm Up America blocks using size 7 needles. Row 1. Go ahead and knit your first 2 stitches. Insert your right needle as if to knit, yarn over twice, bring it through that stitch, and drop it off. And again, as if to knit, yarn over twice, finish the knit stitch. Insert it as to knit, yarn over twice, finish the stitch. Continue this to the last 2 stitches, where you will then knit 2. Remember, the last 2 stitches are knit. Now we are on row 2. You will knit the first 2 stitches and you will purlwise slip the next 2. Once those are slipped, you're going to put those back on your left needle. Then you're going to go from right to left underneath those stitches, yarn over, and then drop those stitches. So you'll slip purlwise, put those 2 back on, go from the right to the left and under, insert your needle, yarn over, drop that off, yarn over, and drop that off. Again, purlwise slip, put those 2 back on to your left needle, go from the right to the left, under that, holding that stitch down, knit that stitch, and go and knit the next one. You will complete this until you have 2 stitches remain, which we will knit. Knit the last 2 stitches to complete this row. Repeat rows 1 and 2 for the Tiny Hearts pattern. Thank you for watching this video from Get Real Ministries Yarn Group. Subscribe, like, and share on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.